Hey there and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, one of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today I'm excited to share a fun version on one of my favorite appetizers, coconut shrimp. So as you can see today, we have our air fryer. We are making air fryer coconut shrimp. The great thing about using the air fryer for appetizers like these is that we can get that really nice crispy texture that we're looking for with like a coconut shrimp without having to deep fry it and use a lot of extra oil. So we've had our air fryer preheating on to 400, so on high, and it is preheated. So what I'm going to do is coat our air fryer basket with some cooking spray. And I will need this one more time, so I'm going to keep this over here. And then the next step is to mix up our different coatings for our air fryer coconut shrimp. So the first bowl that we have here, the first step for our coating is all-purpose flour, and I'm going to mix a fair amount of black pepper, which will give it kind of a nice kick. That's all mixed together. What I have here is our egg wash. So this is 2 eggs that we have just scrambled together. And then our last step is we're using unsweetened coconut, yes, mixed with some panko breadcrumbs. Today we're using unsweetened shredded coconut. You could use sweetened if you like that really nice sweet flavor, but we kind of like just more of the coconut flavor and less of the sweet. And you can find this in our natural organic department at Festival. So we can move on here to our shrimp now that we have our 3 steps ready for coating our shrimp. So today we're using already peeled and deveined shrimp. You could do that on your own. This is just a nice, easy option. We do have the tails on, which is great for serving, but also for assembling our shrimp. So we have a plate here coated with Viva paper towel. We want to make sure that shrimp is really nice and dry so our coatings stick. So I'm going to take our shrimp here, just kind of pat it dry, and then I can go into our flour mixture, making sure it's completely coated. Get any excess off. Moving on to our egg. And then lastly, of course, our panko and coconut. Making sure it's completely coated. So we're going to keep doing that. The important thing with the air fryer, whatever you're making, is that you don't want to overcrowd the basket. So we're going to be able to fit about 4 to 6 in our basket. The reason for that is the air won't be able to circulate enough where everything can get nice and crispy. If you overcrowd the basket, everything's not going to be able to cook quite as well and get nice and crispy, which is what we're looking for, especially with these types of appetizers. So I'll go ahead and do one more here, and then we can get this cooking. Of course, if you're at home, you would fill up the basket, but for time today, we're just going to do a couple. I love that this is so easy and a really good use for the air fryer. All right. So what you do next, my hands are dirty, so I'm not going to do this, but you would take that cooking spray that we talked about earlier and spray each of the shrimp. This will just help to get it even more brown and crispy, which is exactly what we're looking for. So I'm going to push this closed here, and I'm going to let this cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Halfway through, you want to open the air fryer basket, which is what I will do, and then turn the shrimp so that, again, everything gets nice and evenly cooked and crispy. All right, it's been about 6 to 8 minutes or so, so I'm going to check on our shrimp. I did turn them halfway through and coated them again with a little more cooking spray so make sure that they're nice and brown. Oh yes, these look perfect. Shrimp looks cooked, so I'm going to put these on our plate here. Then try to grab them by the tails to prevent some of that coating from peeling off at all. I failed to mention earlier that we want to make sure to use uncooked shrimp in this recipe. If you're using cooked shrimp, your shrimp's going to be really rubbery and not taste very good. The shrimp cooks really quickly in the air fryer, so making sure to use uncooked shrimp. All right, so I'm just going to season these with just a little salt to taste. And how good do these look? They look very professional, almost like a frozen variety, but so much better. So When it comes to serving, we love to serve this with our festival cocktail sauce. A couple other options, because the coconut shrimp is a little on the sweeter side, pairing with something like a fruit salsa, mango would be really good. Otherwise, something spicy would be really good too, some sort of spicy sauce. Or potentially all three, served with lots of different sauces. Such an easy appetizer, and we hope you give this air fryer version a try. And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit bestfoods.com/holiday.